paint is going on.
Don't hang it there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I still got to put that ball there. What ball? Oh, you're gonna have to flip it over to paint it. Man, that's some good paint, man. That was good on. Wow, that's some good paint. It's easy to run too. Yep. Take a minute to put out. You gonna paint the door front board? Yeah.
Ain't none of us gonna be able to breathe with three cans going at one time.
No, we're gonna be seeing. Man, I wasn't getting ready for it. We're gonna be seeing fun things here.
Alright guys, so they had to go to the store, or they had to go to Harbor Freight and get some more paint, so now they're back at it. We had to wait for it to dry for a minute, and now they're gonna try to paint the rest of the car as much as they can. There's still a couple places where they can't, but yeah. So, there we are. Ooh, this diesel here smells good.
Morning, YouTube. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. Got up pretty early, come down here and get started. I was hoping we was gonna be able to see a nice sunrise this morning, but it looks like it's, oh, you hear the roosters crowing. I was hoping to be able to see a nice sunrise this morning, but it looks like it's gonna be kind of a cloudy, overcast day. It looks like it's supposed to warm up to about 70 degrees today and be nice and sunny. But I'm gonna get in here in the shop and see if the chassis, what it's looking like. We got it painted last night and left the heaters rolling all night last night so that it would hopefully dry and can get some work done. You know, that's the thing about 6 o'clock in the morning. This is normally when I'm leaving to go to work, and probably one of the best, I guess one of the things that makes me be able to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and not dread it quite as bad as once you get to the end of our road, you're overlooking the valley at the mountain there, and about this time of day every morning the sun's coming up over the valley there, and that's probably one of my favorite things, is just being able to see that sunrise every morning. And I was hoping to show you guys a sunrise this morning, but like I said, it a little cloudy overcast. I'm gonna turn it around and let you guys get a quick look at it real quick. There she is. She's painted. Looks pretty good. I'm sure there'll be some places we got to touch up and everything, but my goal this morning, I want to get started on the window bars, or I don't want to get started, I want to get them done. I want to get the window bars done. Then I'm probably going to go back and put all my body tabs. We went ahead and just painted everything. The shop was nice and warm, the chassis was warm, so we went ahead and just painted everything, and I thought, well, where I got to go back and put body tabs or this or that, I can just buff it off and weld it on, and then I can just repaint it. Since that's why I went with black spray paint, that way if I have to touch something up, it's fairly easy to touch up. That's why I didn't powder coat it, nothing like that. So I still got to get the body tabs, got to get the window bars, and I got to go back eventually. I'm gonna take some stainless steel bolts and weld in certain areas for ground posts. Do that, and you need to get the front bumper and all that. But right now I'm gonna get these two heaters fired up. It's a little chilly. It's not too bad, but a little bit chilly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these two heaters fired up and just knock the chill off in here, and I'll pick you back up here in just a minute. All right, guys. So been down here for about an hour and a half, roughly. Well, truly working for about an hour and a half. It's right at 8 o'clock. Got the window bars knocked out. Amazing how much difference window bars make it look. I'm gonna let them cool off, unbolt them, set them out in the sunlight and paint them, and then I'm gonna come back and touch those spots up right there where I didn't paint last night, or either I ground this morning to weld the tabs to the chassis. I'm gonna get that done. I already got the middle T-bar installed back there. Gotta get all the bracket or the tabs welded to run the braces and stuff for everything on it. Right now I'm gonna start working on putting the body tabs on. We're just gonna go down through there and I'm gonna just put them where I think they need to be, and hopefully get them in the right spot. Like I said, just gonna take the wire brush on the grinder, brush it off, kind of blend it into the paint, and then spray it and touch it back up. Hopefully I can get these body tabs done, and may work on the front bumper after that, either the front bumper or the underslung one. So we're coming right along, just gotta keep on plugging away.
All right. So just to show you what he's gotten done, there's the underslung. Yeah, it's not finished, but it's there. All right, he's also got the bumper. I know you haven't seen this because he's done this since I've been home. He's got the bumper on there.
Last thing I showed was window bars.
As well as the uprights, or as well as the mounts up here. So he's got all that done.
That's the last thing I showed.
And he showed you guys the window bars, which they're not in right now. They're outside drying because he has painted those. So yeah, like I said, the underslung's not done, but it's there. There's the bumper on there. She's looking like a race car. I think she'll be ready to race by Saturday. You think?
I had all the
No, she won't be ready to race by Saturday. He probably could if he needed to, but we don't need to. So anyway, there is the chassis pretty much ready. Just got a couple odd and end things to do, but for the most part, she's all put together. All right, guys, so guess what you think the car weighs? So they're fixing to scale it out, weigh it out, and well, I mean, it is scaling. It's going on scales. We're just weighing it. Obviously not getting percentage or nothing right now. Tell us what you think it is. Go. Comment.
My guess is.
Comment it down below. What's your guess?
My guess?
Yeah.
305.
I think it's gonna be 350.
371.
So what are y'all doing? Taking the jack stands out from under it? Are you sitting down on it?
Jack stands are going to be similar. Set the jack stand on it for a second.
You do. I ain't do nothing.
Two jack stands is 12 pounds.
So they're 6 pounds a piece. So 20. 26 pounds is jack stands.
I can't get that on. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, let me clean.
I guess we probably just do this.
Okay.
You're going to have something on you. Like that.
Oh.
Everything's going to
Moment of truth. I think we're all wrong.
Oh!
Chris is closest.
Well, it does got a 50-pound bumper on it.
I know that was there.
So 28 pounds of that though is
How much is
jack stands.
Count 28.
How much does it say?
442.
Alright, see what this was.
$435.
And then take your jack stand away. That's less than 300 when you take that
What?
bumper off.
It ain't less than 300.
It'll be less than 300.
Less than 400.
We got to find out.
A bumper don't weigh 100 and something pounds.
Well, it's less. It's in the threes. It'd be in the threes.
Yeah, it's gonna be in threes. All right, you take the bumper.
What'd I win? I win the prize.
Bragging rights.
What?
Bragging rights.
In that. It's gonna be under. It's gonna be in the threes.
380.
I'm done.
Just about on the dot, 380 is what it weighs.
Yeah, there's probably 30 pounds of plate on there that I didn't account for. Okay, I gotta go.
380.
380 on the dot. Chris said 371, so he was the closest. I said 350. Brad said 305. Brad was way off. Way off. So anyway, this car, bare chassis, weighs 380 pounds. Alright guys, so I haven't picked up the camera in a minute because I was cooking supper. So we cooked supper on the Blackstone. Should have videoed that, but I didn't. Didn't think anything about it. But the guys have gotten the 4-bar brackets, rear end under there. And now he's working on the, what is that, the droop limiter?
Yeah.
The droop limiter bar there, so that can attach to that. So, and also got the J bar and the J bar mount mounted as well. So they've got a lot done. It's starting to look like a race car.